Open more.
What do you think would Gandhi have to say to people? You could just say get personal. Exactly. So you could just take out a question and just say whichever you think is relevant. It's totally your choice, both of you. Because we plan to send it to him in his arrest for 2 days back. So we plan to send it to him in jail.
Have you heard of what happened in Bangalore? The women were chased out of a pub. So we are saying, had Gandhi been alive, what would we have to say to Mutalik? So you can pick up from there. What are Gandhi's thoughts?
Oh, sorry.
And you can put two also. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. All that.
Where to stick?
And this anyway, guy.
Anywhere.
Mutalik. Mutalik. So now we are doing a campaign.
May God bless that soul who is creating problem for us.
You can't put more than one. There are other people.
No, you can put.
I'm sure lots of other people will want to put.
We hope so.
Yeah. We are all with you. Even I'm going to a pub tonight. I think he needs to take, what do you call it, a chill pill. He needs to really withdraw himself from all these silly kind of allegations he's putting on our youth. They know what they're doing, they're sensible, they're smart, they're intelligent, and they should be given the choice to do what they want.
नीचे नहीं आएगा.
I just want to say keep it up. It's a good spirit to fight and good, Thanks.
He's done something good, you think?
I'm sorry.
You think he's done something good?
Yeah, very good. I think it's good.
Why?
I mean, we belong to a country which has, has some old things. I mean, which are to be carried forward. And whatever he is doing is true and good.
So it's a good idea to beat up women who go to pubs and go out on Valentine's Day.
No, his way was wrong because he should have taken another path in place of doing this. In place of beating and all, he should have taken Gandhi's path by, convincing and other ways which were not, something, that's not good against women.
Great. Thank you.
I have learned in a newspaper that somebody has quoted, I would like to meet Mutalik's mother. And definitely it was a very good quote. What kind of upbringing that person has.
Hold it.
Thanks a lot anyways.
We're just trying to create some awareness. Public. And we are doing this campaign coming from Delhi, all over India. Not only feel free.
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Mr. Mutalik, I think you should have better those e-teasers who tease girls on the road instead of beating the girls.
Yeah, okay.
What do you do?
I don't have
Yes, I did.
Anywhere you feel like.
What women do wherever they do is none of his business. And just because women can go to pubs and have the freedom to do what they want doesn't mean that we are letting go of our religion or our loose immoral women.
Actually, I wouldn't say anything to him. I just ignore him because obviously he's doing this because he wants the attention, and if we give him that attention, we're just playing into his hand.
Thanks.
Where should I vote now?
Anywhere.
Yeah?
Yeah, in this space. Any of the hearts you like.
लेडीज़ का हमेशा ही बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए क्योंकि उन्हीं की वजह से हम हैं. That's all.
Do you think he did the right thing by chasing women and beating women?
It's wrong. It's wrong.
Why?
It's very wrong.
Why is it?
Independent. It's an independent country. Don't let to enter the second person don't enter चाहिए इसमें.
Okay, sir, where? So you can pull out one. You want to say something to him?
Nothing but what I have just simply said in this, that a coward is incapable of exhibiting love. That's it.
Can you say it again?
A coward is incapable of exhibiting love.
Okay, and you can wish him Happy Valentine's Day and take his name.
Kanika, Happy Valentine's Day.
ये आपको क्या लगता है ठीक क्या उन्होंने ऐसे मारपीट करते हैं? वो कह रहे हैं हमारा कल्चर खराब हो रहा है.
He's doing is completely wrong, and I think he should concentrate on more important things in life rather than these stupid publicity that he's getting out of these events that he promotes, and should stop immediately.
Great, brilliant, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I think this guy should be stripped and flogged in public to make an example.
Their claim on Indians trying to copy the Western culture is completely stupid. I mean, that Indians should not wear jeans as well, and they should wear dhoti to office. They should not cut birthday cakes. That's not an Indian concept.
नहीं गलत क्या?
क्यों?
अगर लड़के आ सकते हैं लड़कियाँ भी आ सकती हैं. इन्होंने बहुत गलत किया. इनको लड़कियों से मार पड़नी चाहिए. इन्होंने ऐसा करने से पूरी आज मर्दानगी ख़त्म कर दी अपनी. बस और कुछ बोलूँ?
हाँ बोलो ना.
और कुछ बोलना ही नहीं आता ना. गाली दूंगा तो
कोई बात
हो जाएगी.
और क्या?